Okay, about the update statement and delete statement, we have already seen the list of insert statements. So I've given a type of update and delete here. Let's see the update first. Okay, so what is the syntax of update is update this table, set this column is equal to this value where you have to give a reference. Okay, which particular column, which particular row record which you are actually trying to update. Okay, so anyhow, let's go to this test table one. Let's open the table. Let's see the table first. Okay, this is the table and let's see the data. So you have the list of data here. There are 5 columns here. And what are you trying to update is test code. You're setting test code equal to GRP1 for test ID 101. Okay, for the test ID 101, the test code you're setting to GRP1. So let me do, it is already GRP. So let me do one thing. Let me populate this as GROUP, group 1. Okay, and what I'm trying to do is update test table 1, set test code as group 1, where test ID is equal to 101. Right now it is in GRP1. Once we are done with the update statement, now it will become group 1. Let's run. One row updated. Go back, click on refresh and check whether it has got changed. Yes, group 1. Okay, so next one is same thing. Let's try to update the subject code with null value. So if you have a null value and that is the only column, like you can always prefer in real time column which is having a numeric value in the where condition of update statement. If not, okay, so if you have multiple columns, okay, for example, I've taken this column as null value. Wherever the test subject mark, this column, this vertical column, test subject mark is null, having a null value, I want to set the test code as QPT. Okay, wherever the mark is null, I want that to be made as QPT. Right now it is QAPT. Once after the update statement is supposed to be QPT. Let's do that and check. Click on refresh. Yes, it has become QPT. What if there are more records having the null value under the subject mark? Yes, all the records which are having the null values, which are satisfying the where condition in this particular update statement. Okay, where test subject mark is null. So how many records, say for example, 20 records are having the mark as null, all the records will be changing the subject code into QPT. It will get updated to QPT. So that is how it functions. If you want to perform something in bulk, okay, you can choose like this. So it depends on the purpose, like how you want to do the update and for which kind of records you want to do the update. So these are the two update statements and delete statements. Now again, delete also, we are going to use a value and then delete and then is null. We are going to refer the null and delete. Okay, delete from, which table are you trying to delete from? Where the condition. Okay, so test subject code is FRN. Let's go and find out whether there is a record with FRN. Okay, test subject code FRN is not there. Let's try to delete TAM. Yeah, TAM. Okay, so let's try to, so this particular record is supposed to be getting deleted. Let's go and run it. Okay, got deleted. Come here, click on refresh. Yes, see, it has got vanished. So no more that duplicate 103 is available. Okay, so the next one is, if you have a null value, again the mark is null, If you want to delete that record, can we directly refer if this test subject mark is null? See, the keyword is null, not equal to. Okay, so is null, then would it perform the delete? Yes, it said it has got deleted. So the third record will get deleted. Let's refresh. Yes, it got deleted. So this is how you perform update and delete. These are very simple: insert, update and delete. So insert, update and deletes are nothing but data manipulation languages.